Tennessee's cities and towns drive economic growth, generate revenue, and foster thriving communities. Nearly 85% of every sales tax dollar realized in this state originates from economic activity within cities and towns, which are the backbone of Tennessee's financial strength. Local governments invest in essential infrastructure, public safety, and services that attract residents and businesses and create jobs, boosting the entire state's economy. Municipal taxpayers predominantly fund this investment. In 1947, the state recognized cities' role and the associated burden borne by municipal taxpayers. In light of this recognition, the state shared a small portion of its state sales tax collections with cities and towns. This sharing relationship continued for over 50 years, helping to ease the local tax burden and fostering continued economic activity. However, in 2002, a substantial state budget crisis led the state to increase the state sales tax rate. Unlike all prior rate increases, the state chose not to share any resulting revenues with cities. This change broke the established practice and altered the historic sharing relationship between the state and its cities and towns. 23 years later, the change intended to address a budgetary shortfall and avoid fiscal calamity remains in place. Now is the time to restore the historical sharing relationship and honor municipalities' recognized role in our state's economic vitality and prosperity, and the corresponding tax burden that city taxpayers bear. Returning additional state sales tax revenue helps reduce cities' increasing reliance on local revenues to counteract rising costs of investment in infrastructure, police and fire departments, community development, parks, libraries, schools, and other expenses. In turn, this allows a community to continue attracting and supporting residents and businesses and sustaining economic growth that benefits the entire state. Supplementing ongoing investment of local revenues with additional state dollars will also reduce pressure to increase local taxes, easing the burden borne by local families and businesses.